People outside of India believe that India is a country जहाँ पे arranged marriages होती हैं. India तो ऐसा ही है, backward है. For them, India is only a small town वाला देश. People who are restricted in their thoughts, people who are restricted by their family. Why we are posing this question and why we did this research is कि actually ऐसा नहीं है. Most of us are going to find boyfriends and girlfriends and get married to the people we choose. And even parents have become cool. Yeah, nowadays if my mom buys a t-shirt for me, I hate it. So I don't think I'll let her choose a boy for me. No, I would definitely want to find a boy for myself because I'm the only one who has to live with him all my life. So I don't even think it should be a love marriage versus arranged marriage discussion. It's just choose the person you want to be with, that's it. If we're with someone we love, okay, well, I'm holding his hand in public, or even if there's a kiss in public, it's okay. I'm not doing anything wrong. Just I want to say something. It's such a brilliant thing that Jaideep just now said, that it's more out of practicality. You know, if I'm seeing somebody and I get free from work at 11 p.m., so the only time I can see him is at 11:30, and we go out for a drive to Marine Drive, and I'm driving with him till 4 o'clock, say, and I come back home and sleep at 5 o'clock. That's not a live-in relationship. But if I sit at his house and maybe go to sleep because I'm so tired, because we're sleeping in the same bed or in the same room, it's a live-in relationship and it's wrong. So it's as per our convenience how we perceive it, you know. हाँ ये तो सुबह साथ में उठे हैं, that means live-in relationship है, this is तो going to break up. But if I'm seeing him all night or just spending time with him or even just eating with him, that's not a live-in relationship. So it's really to do with perception, and many parents are still under the notion के अगर मेरी बेटी उसको रात को 11 बजे मिल रही है तो हाँ she's you know out of hand. But अगर मैं दोपहर को लंच में मिलूँ that's safe. You know, तुम्हें क्या पता लंच में मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? You know, so it's really ridiculous. Stop. When they are young, they like it.
Yeah,
What do they like?
When they're with boys, they enjoy it. And when they grow old,
Being,
they're screaming
you
to
are
the
being
boys,
tortured
"Fuck them."
by us. He has said when girls are young, they like it, and when they are older, then they scream and shout at us. I want to know what is this. We are forcing you to be with us. I'm sorry that you're so tortured. I think this is the reason we are having this discussion today, that it's as per convenience. How can you blame it? That girls like it when they are young and they scream. I think that's ridiculous. I think that's very disrespectful to say to a girl. I think if there is sex or a kiss or a hug, there are two people there and not just the girl.
Martin?
राइट सर, बॉडीली एक्सप्लॉयटेशन जैसी सिर्फ एक चीज होती है, वो है रेप. अंडरस्टैंड? माई व्यू, ओनली पर्सनल, परिणीति's व्यू is that extramarital affair is something to do with fidelity and loyalty, which I just cannot accept. I think extramarital affair is something you're going, especially if you have kids, I think it's absolutely disloyal, disrespectful, unfair to your spouse, and according to me is wrong.
So yeah, I mean, I don't think personally, in my opinion, you know, I don't think that dating leads to sex every time, and we're not talking about sexual relationship when you're wanting, and you know, when you like somebody and you're wanting to get to know somebody. Something for me maybe is right, might be wrong for someone, and something which is wrong for somebody might be right for me. There are certain principles that I live by personally, and I mean, as long as I know and my conscience is clear, I don't think that you know, it would affect anybody or me or my family in any way. But I don't think that we should be very backward, you know, when it comes to dating. I think everybody dates these days, don't they? Like, you get to know somebody before you end up, you know, getting into marriage and committing for a lifetime relationship. I think it's important to get to know each other, no? Don't you agree? Yeah, so I think dating's cool. See, again, I told you, something that's right for me might be wrong for somebody, and something that's right for you might be wrong for me. There are certain principles that abide and I live my life with. I don't think, it's not that what I think is something that everybody else should think similar to, but in my opinion, for me, I think it's a very, very important decision when I am with somebody. The person has to be very special for me, you know. Again, I'm not very, for and against premarital sex. I don't really have a very preconceived judgment regarding that. To each its own.
I think it's it's personal choice, and I am in a live-in relationship, so I'm okay with it.
What about you?
Again, never been in a live-in relationship. Maybe just never found the special one.
Isn't all.
But again, like Jaideep and Pariniti raised that point, it's mere practicality. And if one's family is okay and they trust you, and I have full faith, if my guys, we are compatible, and if our understanding is perfect, then maybe. I mean, you never know. I would never say never. So, but yeah, that doesn't mean that I'm just going to get into any, in a live-in relationship with just about anyone. Somebody has to be special for something like that. And of course, for me, my parents' approval is also very equally important. But I don't think they're very orthodox when it comes to all this. And they're also growing in time. They're growing with us, adapting and all. So, I don't think it's to each its own, I guess. If I find someone that special, that very special, then yeah, you never know.
लगता है कि Indian culture has dark sides in terms of societal behavior and hypocrisy, and all of us who don't fall under the category of typical stereotype personas adhering to social protocols, we are judged negatively instantly, and there is a male chauvinism and discrimination on the basis of all these marriage and live-in issues and everything. So I think it's just hypocrisy that's showing.
Hi, this is Nargis Factory. Subscribe to Bollywood Now.